What's up, YouTube? I'm Jackson5991, and today I'm going to teach you kickflips. So, for kickflips, what you want to learn is probably the simplest tricks and the foundation to do all tricks, which is the ollie. So after you got ollies going, the only difference when you're doing a kickflip is pushing your finger off when you pop. So when you pop, push your finger off, and it causes the board to flip, and once you see it flip, come around, land it, you got kickflips. So most problems people have with kickflips is either they'll get the board to flip, and it'll flip, and flip, and flip, and then they'll land, and they'll be like, oh look, I just see a kickflip, you do it, so it'll be all like, yeah, kickflip. So, no, that's not a kickflip. A kickflip is when the board flips once, not twice, not 3 times, once, and you land. That's it. And another problem most people have is they kick on the nose, so the board flips all like that, or like forward flip or whatever. Hit the concave. It's really not that hard to kick right here, you know, or over here. Some people kick right here, and it'll flip that way, and they'll be like, oh, kickflip. It'll be a heel flip, which is retarded. So, make sure you're kicking the right spot. And, let's see if I can land some. There it is. Kickflips. And, you got it. Next thing, you can take it downstairs, to grinds, down anything. So, go try it.